Finish the gearbox. Finish the gearbox. 13. What did you tell me, Holy Spirit? Holy Spirit said I doubled the drive of the average. I more than doubled the drive of the average man. 13 of them. Full-blown disciple, boy. Full-blown disciple. You know what that 13 representing. You know who the 13 was. Now, some of you, this is a bad luck number. Oh, how they try. Told you your whole life 13 was a bad number. For some of you, it's a damn bad luck number. You know how you switch shit around, but I'm about to show you what. Look. Number 13. And guess what? You know who that is. That's him in full form. Number 13, culmination of everything. All 12 equaled up to number 13. Alright, man, so now you got my number and shit. Lord have mercy. Please don't do it. Please. I know that immediately people's gonna start doing it. It's fine. But it's only one. You know who that is. I showed you the first. You remember the first time I showed you. Matter of fact, it was on the concrete, yeah. I don't know how long ago that was. But here it is in full form. American Mowgli, man. It's only one. This is full-blown discipleship here. I done made it. We made it, church. We made it. Anything else, Holy Spirit? If you believe Christ is alive and his disciples, I mean, you don't gotta give a thumbs up. You don't gotta do shit, man. Just read the Bible, please. All right, Lord. Anything else? Shit. I don't even want to say that, Lord.